In this video, I will give you the information, the latest update from Windows 11 23H2. I'm a little bit surprised and very sad. Now the WordPad has been removed by Microsoft, so we cannot find the WordPad in this version. Okay, if you try to find the WordPad, you cannot find the programs. Not like we find the notepad that's still here. We can just open the app. Okay, if you want to try this version also, you can see the build number is 26040. You can get the ISO file on our website if you want to try this version of Windows. Okay, also if you try to open the WordPad via Copilot, for example, I will open the Notepad via Copilot. Open Notepad like this. Okay, using this command, we can directly open the Notepad. Just click yes. The Notepad will open like this. We can stop the responding. You can see there. But when you try to open WordPad, it will appear, or the result, just the tips. Okay, you can see the Windows 11 on this version cannot find the WordPad. Use Windows settings, searching for like search engine, there is just tips. I'm sorry, but I can directly open the WordPad for you. However, you can easily open it yourself. Okay, and I'm the person who often using WordPad is very sad, even though I think WordPad is very useful for rearranging paragraph format so that they become normal in styling. But it has been Microsoft's decision to remove it, so what else can it be? And there are many features here. With this version also support for data transfer on USB in 80 gigabytes. Also, there is a cache menu in here with clear, okay, with the clear interface. And there is something new features also. We also already post the new features on our website. You can find the latest update from the Windows 11. Okay, I'm still sad because WordPad has been removed, and that's all. The news information about Windows 11, the latest update with the version 23H2 and the build number 26040. You can get the ISO file if you want to try on our website. Hope this video helpful for you.